How to remove the background noise from CapCut. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can remove the background noise from your CapCut. To do that, make sure you go on the Google Play Store of your device. After you do that, simply go on the search bar and search for CapCut. And tap on CapCut. If there is any update option available on CapCut, then do update it because by doing that you won't miss out any features. After you have already installed the CapCut, then simply go and tap on your CapCut. Now you want to remove the noise from certain video that you already have on your video. So how can you remove the noise from your video is simply go on the video, and when you go on this option you don't see any options right here. Now what you should simply do is tap on the edit option. After tapping on the edit option, just scroll here and here, and now you will see the option of reduce noise right here. So this option is not available for me because it needs payment to use this one feature of CapCut. So you can use this if you do a payment for this. If you don't want any sound on your videos, then you can simply mute your video. But if you want to remove or just reduce the noise, then you should tap on this and you can simply remove the noise. But to unlock this, yes, you should make CapCut all of this one option right here. I hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section. Thank you.